Hi friends, we're going to be practicing sounding out some words. Now, part of the reason why we always practice tapping out and listening for the word is because when you start reading, you're going to be doing that all by yourself. So today we're going to practice that by looking at the letters and thinking about what word all of the sounds make together. So I'm going to say the sounds, but I want you to be thinking about what word you hear. So let's look at our first one. I see F-O-X. So I'm going to blend together those sounds to listen for the word. I know the F goes, the O goes, ah, the X goes, x. So let's hear when I blend them together. Ox, ox. What word do you hear? Fox. Nice job. Did you get it? So when I put together ox, I hear the word fox. Nice. Let's look at our next one. I see N-E-T. So N makes the N sound, E makes the E sound, T makes the T sound. So let me put together these sounds. N, E, T. N, E, T. What word do you hear? N, E, T. Net. Yeah. When I hear N, E, T, I hear the word net. Nice. Let's look at our next one. I see the letter C, U, and P. But that doesn't tell me what the word is. I need to actually make the sounds and blend them together to hear the word. So I know C makes the K sound, U makes the sound, P makes the P sound. So let me put all those sounds together. K, P. K, P. What word do you hear? K, P. Cup. Nice. So when I hear K, P, it's the word cup. All right, let's look at the next one. I see the letters P, I, G. P goes P, I goes I, G goes G. So let me put them together. P, I, G. What word do you hear? P, I, G. Pig. Nice job. Whoa, you're on a roll. All right, our last two are really tricky because they have 4 sounds in them. So, let's look. Tricky Ricky. I see N-E-S-T. N goes N, E goes E, S goes S, T goes T. Let's see what I hear when I blend them all together. N, E, S, T. N, E, S, T. N, E, S, T. What word do you hear? N, E, S, T. What is it? Nest. 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 Nice. Whoa, that one was hard. All right, last one is also pretty tricky. Let's see if you can get it. So I see D-R-U-M. D goes D. R goes R. U goes M goes M. So what about if I blend them together? D, R, M. tricky. One more time, listen. What is it? Drum. Drum. Yeah, that one is really tricky. When our words have 4 sounds in it, whoa, gets even harder. But as you learn bigger and bigger words, they're going to have more sounds in them. So it's great to start practicing with some of our words that have 3 sounds in them. So you can practice this at home too. Nice job. I miss you guys.